Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on this Dodge Stratus. It's a 2006 model with a 2.4 engine and it has a blown head gasket. And it's not as bad because they didn't drive it much, it didn't overheat way too much. But what happened, they overheated it once, and as you can see, it's missing on one cylinder right now. One cylinder does not have enough compression. If you have compression and you have spark and you have the injector working, everything should be fine. But our injector is working, we have spark, so we're going to check the compression now and verify that it's a blown head gasket. Okay, the first step to check the compression is to remove all the wires, spark plug wires, and now we need to remove all the spark plugs on all 4 cylinders in our case, because it's a 4-cylinder engine, so take all of them off. Okay, we removed all 4 spark plugs and now we get the compressor tester and we need to screw it where the spark plug is. So now we're going to test cylinder number 3, it's the one that's supposed to be running good, and cylinder number 2 is the one that we're having problems with. So you just screw it all the way, and on most of the vehicles when you test it, if you have to go with the gas pedal all the way to the 4. So that way it shuts the injectors off and you don't spray fuel while you're testing it, and you have to have the throttle body open all the way to get the accurate test. But in most cases they have that thing where you press the gas pedal all the way down. If not, you just need to remove the fuel pump fuse. Okay, now let's test it and see. Okay, as you can see, this one is at 150, even a little bit more, so number 3 is perfect compression. It's like almost like brand new engine. And now we need to release the pressure and we're going to check cylinder number 2 this time. Number 3 is perfect. Okay, now that's on cylinder number 2. Let's check the compression on this one and see what it is compared to number 3. Okay, as you can see, there is almost no compression at all. So it's completely done, like the head gasket is done. And we're going to take the head off and see if we can just replace the head gasket or if it has some damage to the cylinder head as well. And what you're going to notice is either coolant in the oil, we still do not have that, or missing coolant. And ours is empty, as you can see, because it went through the exhaust on this vehicle. The customer, they didn't shut it off on time, so they burned the coolant through the exhaust. So unfortunately we had to remove the head, and these are the signs that it's a head gasket that we just showed you. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.